How can I get the prompt of, would you like to install this device software, in Windows? When I install the software, during the installation, Windows Security prompted, would you like to install this device software? I choose Always Trust Software from XXX, and I didn't get the prompt anymore when I install the software. But now I want to withdraw my decision, and I'd like to get the prompt when I install the software. What should I do to enable the Windows Security's prompt? Thanks.
You should be able to go into the Certificate Manager and remove the certificate you approved. Click Start Run or Windows + R. Type certngr.msc without the quotes. You should then be able to find the certificate from the vendor in Trusted Publishers Certificates. Select the certificate and press Delete. For safety, I would recommend you right-click the certificate and choose All Tasks Export. At least this way you have a backup copy should you need it.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.